Hi beauty babes and welcome back to my channel. This is Janice and I am bringing to you today a sort of a review, first impressions etc. of something that I actually got for Christmas, and it was this, which was the glow kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is in sugar. Now it does actually have a sleeve, but I've taken the sleeve off. But I just wanted to show you what these products look like inside. Now, as you can see, I have had a little bit of a play with it already, because at the end of the day, why not? It's just beautiful, it's just lovely. Some of you who follow me for a long time will know that I've already got the sun dip that I got a couple of years ago when I went over to the States. This I got for Christmas, but it come from Beauty Bay, and I think it's £42. Yes, it's a lot of money. Yes, it's high end. Is it worth it? I don't know, it depends on how much you love your highlighter. So I'm just going to go through some of the details of this. It is cruelty free and it's also vegan. It's got a 12-month shelf life on, but we know that we can make it last longer than that if we keep our brushes clean, etc. It's recycled packaging. I believe it's, well, it doesn't really say anything else. It just says it's got 4 colours in there: marshmallow, gumdrop, butterscotch and starburst, which of course I am going to show all of you, and I am going to swatch them all, and I am going to apply one of them, or maybe 2 of them, actually on my face so that you can see what they look like. So first thing I want to say to you is, I'm just trying to see how much these actually weigh. They are net gram of 7.4 grams, which is 0.26 ounces each. So they are huge pans. They are absolutely massive. I mean, if you look at this compared to the size of my face, you can see that they are really big. Now, the thing I do like about these is the fact that they have a little thumb hole here, and you can actually get them out. So there you go, we have a pan in the hand there, and what I also like about it is that it will actually tell you also on the back what it actually says. So it's like glow kit, and it's got gumdrop on there, and obviously all the other details on there as well. This is really handy. The reason it's handy is for obviously refills, but also if you're going away and you don't want to take the whole palette with you, and you've got a magnetic palette and you're taking some blushes, some contour, etc, etc, you can pop this in and it's all fine. And then when you get home, you literally just pop her back in. And I mean, she's magnetised, so literally, oh, I love that feeling. So yeah, she's not going to come out. So colours, I'll show you the colours. I'll swatch all the colours for you, so you can see them. I'm going to do them 2 at a time. Okay, so that is what they look like. They are beautiful. As you can see, they are catching the light really, really well. Sorry about my nails, they do need redoing. I mean, look at those 4 swatches. Aren't they just gorgeous? I will do a close-up shot for you. I'll just do the other 2 and then I'll do a close-up for you. So those 2. So that one is marshmallow and that one is gumdrop. And then we have these 2 down here, which are butterscotch. Just wipe my hands. On the old leggings. So we have butterscotch and also starburst as well, which are, as you can see there, really pretty. Pop them down there. So there you go. There you go. So those are what they look like. like, they are absolutely beautiful. They are glowing. So let's have a look and see how they get on the face. So I'm just having a look to see what I think would probably be better on my skin tone. I mean, I love all of them. They are beautiful, but with what I'm wearing today, I think I'm actually going to go for this one here, which is like the slightly pink one, which I think is, yeah, Gumdrop. So I'm going to try Gumdrop. I'm going to use my Zoeva. This is my 134 Luxe Power Powder Fusion brush. I always get muddled up on this. This is what I live and die with my highlighter. So just show you, there we go, and then just on the cheek here. Obviously I can't see because I haven't got a mirror. So yep, and then we'll try this side as well. I mean, it looks like it's properly glowing to me. That looks like that's glowing. Oh yeah, I can see the beautiful iridescence. It hasn't gone on very smooth though. I'm very surprised about that. I also purposely didn't put any powder on my face around here to try and... What I'm going to do, I think, is I'm going to use another colour on top. I'm going to go with the butterscotch as well, because I think that looks a bit neutral. I'm going to take another brush and just literally just sweep. Like so. Let's have a look and see how we get on this time, shall we? Whoa, okay. Look who's talking. Yeah, that's glow. That's glow. That's glow. That is glow. That is so pretty. I'm going to go for Starburst now, just on top of my brows, because I do like to do a little bit just on top of my brow. Because I had someone kindly say to me about the wrinkles on my head are emphasised when I put highlighter on them, and that she couldn't stop looking at them. So since I had that comment, it's like, yeah, I totally get that, totally understand. So I'm going to work with that and not do that anymore. And I'm also going to use a bit of Marshmallow, which is this one here. I'm going to put a little bit of that on my chin and my nose. Am I impressed? I am. I do like that. Let's just get all this blended in now. I know it's got a little bit of that other colour in, but I'm just going to blend that all in now, all over. Because having them two colours together, when you don't mix them, they don't look right. So just blend them in. Like so. So, yeah, okay, so that's what they look like on the skin. Am I impressed with this? I am really impressed with it. I bought this when I say I bought this was a Christmas gift, but I actually made the purchase off of Beauty Bay, and we actually got this down to £24. I am over the moon that I got that, because I've been lusting after this for so long. When I went into Sephora last year, and not last year, sorry, the year before, it was out of stock, and I was like, oh, I really want it, I really want it. But it is really, really pretty. Now, I think also Revolution brought out a dupe for this, and they brought it out in the Revaholic box. It's one of the glow palettes. I'm going to do a dupe video for that to see if they do actually match one another, and to compare if they are different on the skin, do they feel different, and what would be better. So I would, if they are the same, I'll wear one on one side, one on the other, and see how they go on through the day. Sorry for my so yeah, this is lovely. I do like it. I have enjoyed using this today. The sleeve, here is the sleeve. So, and what I do like about this is that it has almost got like a glitter to the packaging as well. So it's, yeah, it is really, really pretty. But yeah, best thing about it is though it is cruelty free and vegan. So basically there's been no animals harmed in the production of this at all, and that is something that really stand for. So anyway, thank you very much for joining me today, beauty babes. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope to see you again in the next video. I will put down below how I do get on during the day with this, etc. If it lasts, if I like it. I think I do, but you know, give an overall opinion at the end of it, and I will see you in the next video. So mwah, ta-ta for now. See you later. Bye. Bye.